Hi guys, welcome back. And today we're trying matcha flavor bubble milk tea drink from Taiwan. So it's a green looking. Yeah, it's green. And it is a tea, but it also says milk, so it's a milk tea, which I don't know what that is. Yep. So it also has that little weird icon on top. Yeah, on both sides. Weird. I don't know. Probably just the company, but. And it shows that it looks like with all those little black things. And I don't know what those are. And open it. Is it gonna explode like a soda? No, it doesn't. I don't think. Oh, God.
Smell it first.
It smells weird. Oh!
What does it smell like?
It smells like weirdness. It smells like mushrooms, like sour mushrooms or something.
Okay, who's taking the first sip?
Yes. Let me try it. It's weird. At first it's good, and then it's weird. Oh! Yeah! Oh! Oh! That's actually pretty good. It tastes like... At first, it tastes like milk with no flavor, but different color. And then it tastes like weirdness. Sour mushrooms.
Does it have those little balls in it?
No. Maybe. Nope. Yeah, that is definitely getting a down star. Okay. That's fine. It's really, it's good at first, but then it's just, gross. Yeah. At first it's like, and then it's like, okay, guys. My final rating is fine. Bye. Bye.